Your content calendar is already written. You just haven't asked for it yet. Open ChatGPT right now, paste this prompt. Act as a social media strategist. Create a 7-day content calendar for your niche with one post idea per day for Instagram, including a caption angle and a content format like reel, carousel, or static post. Hit enter. 30 seconds later, you have a full week of content. That's it. That's the whole thing. But there's a way to make it actually good, not just generic. And that's where most people stop too early. The difference between a useful content calendar and a forgettable one is specificity. ChatGPT doesn't know who you are yet, so you have to tell it. Instead of typing fitness niche, say, I'm a personal trainer helping busy moms over 40 get strong at home without a gym. Feel the difference? One of those gives ChatGPT almost nothing to work with. The other one gives it a person, a problem, and a setting. Same goes for tone. Add something like, write in a warm, encouraging tone, not salesy, or keep it casual, like texting a friend. ChatGPT picks up on that and the output shifts noticeably. And if you already have a content style, like you always do educational carousels or you love behind the scenes reels, tell it that too. You're not giving it creative freedom, you're giving it your creative direction. There's a real difference. The more you treat it like a new team member getting briefed, the better the output. It's not reading your mind, but it can come remarkably close when you set it up right. Okay, so here's where people leave time on the table. After ChatGPT gives you that first calendar, don't just copy and paste it and move on. Add this follow-up prompt. Now write a short caption draft for each day. Include one question to boost engagement and suggest a relevant hashtag cluster for each post. That single follow-up turns a content plan into nearly ready-to-post content. You're not getting a finished product every time, but you're getting something you can actually edit and schedule, instead of staring at a blank screen, wondering what to post on Tuesday. This whole process takes under 5 minutes once you know what you're doing. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. But back to the prompt, the other thing worth knowing is that you can regenerate any day you don't like. Just say, day 3 doesn't feel right for my audience. Give me 3 alternatives. ChatGPT won't take it personally. That's genuinely one of its best qualities. Here's the part that turns a one-time trick into an actual AI productivity habit. Once you find a prompt combination that produces a calendar you like, save it. Seriously, paste it into your Notes app, a Google Doc, wherever you keep things you actually revisit. Next week, you swap out the dates, tweak one detail, and run it again. Your weekly content planning goes from something you dread to something that takes less time than making coffee. Some people build out a small library of their best prompts. One for Instagram content, one for email newsletters, one for caption rewrites. That's when AI writing tools really start to feel like they're working for you, not the other way around. And none of this requires any tech background. If you can send a text message, you can run these prompts. The skill is just learning how to ask clearly, which honestly is a skill worth having in general. The thing to walk away with, ChatGPT doesn't replace your creativity, it just gets rid of the blank page. You still bring the personality, the audience knowledge, the judgment. The AI just hands you a starting point so fast it almost feels like cheating. And that starting point is genuinely useful. Tomorrow, check out the video where I actually used ChatGPT to plan a full Instagram week and tracked what performed, what flopped, and what surprised me. Real results, worth watching. If this helped, tap the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.